except Jesus knows something that we too often forget or don't know. If there was ever a place for you to go to when you're tired, if there's ever a place for you to go to when you're overwhelmed, if there's ever a place to go to when you have anxiety, if there's ever a place that you need to go to when you need to get away, go to God. That's what Jesus shows us. That's what we are to model in our lives. If you want rest, true rest is found in the arms of your Father, your heavenly Father. Christ shows us this. Are we going to follow him or not? Because here's what happens. When the world is overwhelming, when your anxieties about the future are overwhelming, when your responsibilities feel too much, then get away. But when you do, go to God. Because here's what happens. Too often we go to God in prayer as a last resort rather than part of our daily rhythm. So is being with God your last resort or part of your daily rhythm? I wonder if we would see more of the miraculous. I wonder if we would have more peace in our lives and between one another. I wonder if we would have more of those things if going to God in prayer was part of our daily rhythm rather than our last resort.